Hey, you. You thought I forgot about you, didn't you? You know you've always had a permanent space in my heart. You know that you live rent-free in my head. It's definitely been a while, though. I'll admit that. But don't look so surprised to see me. You know I could never just give you up like that. You know I could never back down from claiming what's mine. I've been watching you these last few months, and I've got to say, I'm disappointed. I thought I got through to you. I really did. I was so sad to find out that you went to the police after our last little encounter. What do they know about true love anyways? Apparently, you don't know much about it either, but now I'm here to show you. I'll show you the lengths I'm willing to go to for you. For the both of us. If you don't want to put in the hard work it takes to maintain our love, then I'll put in enough effort for the both of us. Come on, do you really have to scream like that? Do you think I'd make the same mistakes as before and keep you in my basement? No, no, no. I learned from my mistakes, unlike you. We're somewhere much safer now, somewhere secluded, so I can go all out. Aren't you excited? You'll see what I mean soon enough, my little darling. Soon our little shift in ambience will make more sense. Crazy. Yeah, I'm crazy. Crazy for you. I know you're dying to hear why I have you tied up deep in some cave that honestly I'd rather not be in either. Long story short, I made a deal with Satan. Isn't that great? Now we can be together forever. If I just sacrifice your soul for a bit, and a few others, while yours is in limbo, then we could be together forever. We'll be immortal and we can spend eternity together. You don't seem as excited as I was hoping, darling. You could at least pretend to be into it. I mean, do you know how many grimoires I had to read to reach this point? Oh, if only you know, then you'd be thankful. Alright, well, I hope you're ready. Just gotta light these candles here, 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 and here. Alright, here I go. Mala revelentur datur, secreta tua revelentur, ex tenebris lux, dormitum locus, las andorcas. Bascachun by, convertat desist, iesta inferno in quorum, prolatur quod visum est. Goodbye, my darling. We'll see each other soon.